Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Reddit name. So first go to reddit.com, log into your account, and if you want to change your name or your display name right here, as you can see, if you want to change this one, then it's such a very easy thing to do. All you have to do here is just locate your profile. So your Reddit profile can be found here. Tap this one. Now, the next thing you should do once you tap this is you have to scroll down and look for settings. Tap on settings here. So once you found settings, what you're going to do is you have to look for the profile section. Tap on the profile section here under settings, which is this one. You will see your current name or display name. And in order for you to change this one, let's just say remove or you want to replace a new one, you just have to click this. Take note that you can only change your display name or name, but you cannot change your username. So in order for you to add or change, you just have to add the new display name or name right here. Tap on save, and that's it. Now, if you go back to your Reddit homepage or profile, or try to refresh or reload, you will see that your name or display name has been changed. And that's how easy it is. Again, take note you can only change your display name or name, but you cannot change your username, especially if you're using Reddit for a long time. And that's how easy it is to change Reddit name. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.